Hi, I am Pratik Gupta, a freelancer in data analyst with experience in data visualization, data processing, and statistical analysis using MX Excel. But that's not all. I also offer graphic design services using Canva. Whether it's social media posts, flyers, etc., I create clean, eye-catching designs that helps your brand to stand out. So, if you have raw, unorganized data, I can clean, structure it, and turn it into meaningful. I can also create charts and clear dashboards all throughout the Excel. And if you need stunning visuals or branded design, I have got you covered there too. So, if you are looking for someone who can bring the clarity to your data and creativity to your design, I will be happy to work with you. Thank you.